Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Lauren. I'd like to start off by saying a huge thank you to all the new subscribers as well as the ones that have been here since the beginning. In the past 6 months, my channel has grown quite a bit. I'm still like a very small YouTuber. I am like a small, tiny little fish in this giant pond that is YouTube, but I just really appreciate all the support and the love that I've received in the past like year, and I appreciate all of you watching me. I know that you could watch so many other people, so the fact that you're taking time to sort of watch me and comment and interact with me, I really appreciate it. And I know the pandemic's been super crazy hard for everybody, so it's been tough not seeing my friends and my family, so YouTube's been really great in a way of just sort of interacting and meeting new people, and I really appreciate all of you, so thank you so much. I have a new bag to show you. I'm really excited. It's a bag that's new to me, but it is vintage. So I believe at the end of January, I had posted a video about how to shop on eBay for pre-loved luxury goods. And so I said, let's buy a bag together. And the one that I was looking at was the Louis Vuitton Noe in the GM size, so like the regular size, the original size, I guess you'd say, in monogram. And I have had this bag before in epi leather, in black epi, and that bag was stolen. I've talked about that before. So this is a bag that I've wanted since that one kind of got stolen, and it's always been a bag that I love. Like, I love the Noe. I love all the new ones that they've come out with to the new styles and sizes, but I love the original Noe. So in that video, I had given some tips and my criteria of what I was looking for. So really quickly before I show you the bag, I'll just go over them really quick. So I was looking for all the pieces being included, so no leather because there's that string at the top, like nothing being missing. I was looking to make sure that the canvas wasn't cracked at all, that the leather didn't have like big rips or cracks in it either. And because the Noe is also quite a bit of leather, I keep looking over here because it's right there, but because the Noe does have quite a bit of leather on it, I didn't want any like substantial watermarks. And then my last criteria was that I wanted it to be under $1,000 including duties, because I knew I want to buy the bag from Japan just because I feel like a lot of the sellers there are authentic. They have to be. It's against the law to sell fakes and sort of replicas and things like that. So I've always had really great experience from buying from Japanese sellers. One in particular I've only sort of bought from. So that was my criteria. In that video, what I soon realized was that for my criteria, most of the bags were like $900, and I really didn't want to pay that because I knew with duties I'd go over like my $1,000 limit. So I was just super patient, and essentially what I did is every morning I would check eBay and I would see if any new bags are posted, and then I would like click watch if it was a bag that I was really interested in. And that's a huge tip, which I'll talk about later, but you should always put items into your watch list, because sometimes what sellers will do is they'll send out offers, or like if they reduce the price, you'll get notified for that watched item. And I actually did receive an offer from the seller on this. So, okay, so without further ado, let me just show you the handbag, because that is why you're here. So here it is. You can see the nice patina. I feel like it's coming up a little bit darker on camera now, albeit it is 5 p.m. Vancouver time, so I have little to no sun because the sun is beginning to set. So if I can, I'll include some pictures in daylight, and you can see like the actual color of it, because it is coming up a little bit darker, I can tell. So this is the Noe that I got. So when it comes to the actual condition of it, this handbag was in such great condition. So I had put this on my watch list, and it was 723 Canadian, which in general was a fairly good price due to the condition of it. I bought this through the seller that I've always bought from, or I shouldn't say always, because I've only bought 2 other pieces pre-loved off eBay, and then one off Luxar & Co. or LXR & Co. But I've always bought through the Japanese seller Next Innovation. I will link that seller down below, and I've had such good experiences. I always find that the products that they list come in better condition than what they actually listed as. So they had listed it at $723, and I put it in my watch, and then they had also listed another one for $583. Tina was a little bit darker. It just wasn't in as great a condition, but if I was going to save like $150, I was actually considering it. So I had this one in my watch list, and then a week, probably actually less than a week, 6 days later, I received a notification saying the seller has offered you a reduced price on this. And it was offered, I believe, to anyone that had this item on their watch list. So they reduced the price by 5%, which was like an extra, I think, $37 off. So it brought it down from like $723 to $780 or $686. So it was only about $100 more than the other one. And at that point, I messaged my friend Antonia, who I always talk about here, hello Harley, and I said, should I get this bag? And I sent her the link, and she was like, oh my gosh, it's in amazing condition. So then I just hit the buy now button, and I bought it, and I accepted the offer. So here she is. If you look at it, the canvas is in such great condition. Like, there's no scratches. I do have it stuck right now. So there's some creasing because it was folded when it was shipped. But other than that, really, oh, now you can see like the real color of the patina, because now I feel like it's really bright. So this is the actual color right here that you're seeing. So the canvas is in perfect condition. And then as you can see, like with the vachetta leather at the bottom, I did clean this up, but like you can see, there's virtually sort of no markings. There's like a little bit of discoloration, I think, maybe, is it there? One of the sides has it, but it's in such great condition. And then look at the bottom. Like, nothing. It's in perfect condition. There's like a scratch there, but really, and then like a little scratch there, but really there's no watermark. So that was perfect. And then the leather on the side, you can see as well. It's in really good condition on both sides. And then the strap, you can also see there, is in such good condition as well. So no cracking. Now, when I had seen these pictures online, the bag was cinched like this. So I tried my best to look at the leather and make sure it wasn't cracked. And I didn't see any, but when I actually received it, is it this side? It has it, yeah. So this side, you can see there is a crack right there and right there. So that was a little bit upsetting, but honestly, not enough to make me not want to like have this bag, because that is it, I would say. I did, like I said, clean it up, and I did condition it because I was just worried that this was a little bit dry. So I did condition it, and I did go over a couple of watermarks with the magic eraser, but honestly, that's basically it. You can see the top part here, like it's in really good condition. And I did also shine these up with some Brasso, but honestly, it is so good for the price that I paid for this. So the inside of the bag is perfect condition too. Like the lining has no marks, no scratches, no nothing, no smell either, because I know sometimes they'll list if it has like a musky type of smell, but there is literally no smell with this one either. So I feel like I really lucked out. So the seller had listed the handbag as being in good condition, which I completely agree with. And to be honest, other sellers were selling Noes like in this condition for like $900+ So I really lucked out. A lot of the Noes that were sort of on the lower end, so like $500 and like even $600, they had like a lot of cracking kind of going on and like a lot of damage to the bottom. So to find this Noe in such great condition, and so in total, I should tell you the price that I paid for this. I paid so $683, and then I also had to pay duties when it came, so I paid $140 in duties. So in total, this was 840 Canadian dollars. And the fact that this handbag on Louis Vuitton right now, Canadian, is $2,100 before tax, I feel like this is such a steal. And remember, my max price I was gonna pay was $1,000, so I came in like $150 short of what I expected to pay, and it's gorgeous. And so the seller, I should also mention that, really quick in shipping too. So I ordered this, I think, late Wednesday, and it got to me Monday. So and it came from Japan. So they shipped it FedEx priority, international priority, so it shipped super duper fast, and the seller was really great with communicating with me as well. I did pay right away, but they did notify me that they were planning on shipping it out really quick and everything like that. So, and like I said before, that's always the seller that I have used in the past, Next Innovation, and it's been really, really good. I know in the video where I talked about buying the bag, one of the main reasons why I love to buy vintage is because it's way more carefree, and I believe like 100%. You can see like this golden patina on the bag. Like, I can use this bag and not have to worry, because when it's brand new and you have like that sort of ivory leather, the vachetta hasn't patinaed at all, I'm like super duper scared with getting watermarks on it, or just like touching it if my hand has like lotion or oils on it. It's just way more carefree, and it's like, it's gorgeous. The patina is so even on this bag. It's just perfect. It's gonna be the best sort of carefree handbag I can use. Yeah, I'm just so happy with it. And the fact that it is 26 years old, this bag was made in 1995, like the condition of this is impeccable. It's just amazing. So I'm super happy with this purchase, honestly. Like, I couldn't ask for anything more. Right, so the sun is really beginning to set now, so I need to end this video. But if you have any questions about buying pre-loved on eBay, feel free to leave a comment down below, or like I said, I'll also link my video where I explain the process. Or if you have any questions about this handbag in general, please let me know, because I am in love. Like, I cannot wait to use this handbag. So it's supposed to rain the next few days in Vancouver, so I won't be able to take it out yet. But if you would like a review or an update on it, then please let me know. And until I see you next, I hope that you have a good day. Bye.